Welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm going to show you guys inside the box of the brand new HUAWEI FreeBuds PRO. That's such a satisfying feeling. And I had these in carbon black, just so you guys know. They smell really nice. Let's get to those in a sec. Let's see what else is in the box. So we have... Oh, cool. So some strategically placed bud tips, which sit just there, if you guys can see that. Warranty card, and also a USB-C cable, which I'm imagining is for charging the case. Let's get the paper off that. Yeah, so the case there has a USB-C input, and so you can charge it right there. Off the bat, this is a really nice looking case, but given that it's shiny and black, I've opened it for like what? I've had it in my hand for 20 seconds and it is covered in fingerprints. So maybe a matte finish would have been better. I like the case despite the fingerprint magnet finish on it, but one of the great things is HUAWEI with this case say that you can get about 30 hours of battery life with these in-ears, which is absolutely amazing. You know, if you've got a long journey, airplane flight, when we start flying again, anything like that, this will get you through a full day, probably a couple of days of use if you're just going to work and back. This will probably get me through the week if I had to go to an office. But yeah, I really like the battery performance on these, and they have active dynamic noise cancelling, so I'm looking forward to seeing how that actually works in use. If you drop this, this is going to scuff and scratch. But anyway, let's take a look inside. So there you have the FreeBuds right there. There's like a nice little, slightly magnetic, yeah, it's a magnetic clasp, so that's really cool. Let's take the buds out. So there's an interesting design they've gone for here, slightly different to the other, many of the other wireless, true wireless stereo headsets we've seen from other manufacturers. These guys have gone for a kind of cuboid, is that a word? It looks cube-like, the actual body of the earbuds. And they have 3 microphones on them for active noise cancelling. Yeah, I think it's an interesting shape. What do you guys think of these? How do they look in? Do I look silly? I can't see, so you guys let me know in the comments if I look ridiculous wearing these. So there we go. That is HUAWEI's FreeBud Pro true wireless stereo in-ears. I'm going to give these a try and we'll be reviewing them soon, so keep an eye out for that. In the meantime, check out my Instagram channel, GadgetsJON, and keep a look back here for more updates, more unboxings, and more news. Subscribe, tell a friend, and like. Thanks for watching. But that's it from me and the new HUAWEI FreeBuds FreeBuds.